I am back with another video in the video series titled How Did Stupidity Work Out video series. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Zomedica. Zomedica that is down 90% from its high. I'm going to play some advice from a couple YouTubers. Man, you don't want to miss it. There's some genius minds out there that you need to hear. If you're new to this channel, my name is Mariusz Konieczny. I run Microcap Explosions, a website dedicated to microcap stocks which are ignored and undervalued by the investment industry. I also wrote about 10 books on investing, one of which is available for a free download at microcapexplosions.com. And I also created valueinvestinguniversity.com as a free resource to make you a more intelligent investor. Okay, let's jump in right away. Let's have one of the most popular YouTuber, Sain, explain to us on February 8th, 2021, February 8th, almost here, why he thinks Zomedica is a buy.
Next is ticker symbol ZOM, known as Zomedica. Listen guys, it's at $2.78. This was a 49-cent play just a couple weeks ago, guys. It is up 41% on the day alone. That is where it closed at, and after hours it is still kicking butt and is up over or nearly 3%. Listen guys, I can't explain this enough. This is a quick way to double your money, triple, quadruple your money for those of you that bought it at 49, and I know many of you did. Okay, but check this out. I'm sitting at 1,000 shares, 99-cent cost basis for myself. I am up 181%. Guys, this is considered a home run. Anything over 100%. You have been asking when to take profits or what did you do next. Listen guys, I want you to determine for yourself, what is this play for you? Is this a long-term hold? If so, if the answer is yes, you continue to hold. Now, if it is, you need to just say what number, what dollar amount will you hold to? Do you want to see this go to $5? You want to see this go to $10? You determine how long you hold it. If you've made a killing in this, those are my people that bought at 49 cent, 95 cent, 88 cent. I know all of you, okay? I know everybody who's been doing their thing in this. You are already up a substantial amount. You may say to yourself, you might want to just take profits right here and you can reestablish a new position right here and ride this up, okay? Or you can continue to hold as you see it's going higher and higher as well. However, all those type of questions and decisions comes down to your preference, okay? Certain plays, you just got to know for yourself, how long are you going to hold them for? For me, just so I'm always being transparent with you guys, this is a long-term hold for me. I want to see this play go to $10 if I could be honest with you. So I'm holding this for a year. Okay, yes, we hit the home run in it relatively quickly. However, beyond that, I knew it was going to do that. However, I also want to see it go to around $20, okay? And so I'll be in this for a minute, but that doesn't mean our price target as a family is 20. You guys can take profits whenever you want. I just want to lead you to the promised land. What you do from there is up to you.
I want to go to the promised land. I want to see this stock go to $20, not 25 cents. I want to, let's see another genius. Finance turned easy. Ooh, I like easy. Do you like easy? I like easy.
Money. So Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. We've talked about the stock a lot of times, and you guys have heard me talking about how great of an investment it is for the future, and I'm still sticking to my guns. I think at a low price point that is under $3, I think that this stock can shoot to $5 by the end of this month. Well, their purpose is to improve companion animal health by increasing the number of successful veterinarians across the planet, because pet health is dependent on veterinary health. Their vision is to advance the effectiveness and well-being of companion animal veterinarians so they are ready to greet the challenges of veterinary practices with energy and confidence. Their mission is to provide and innovate needs-driven solutions that give veterinarians the opportunity to increase productivity, and grow revenue while serving the animals and their needs. Now, Trueforma is a very unique product that has a lot of great things going for it. Now, what is Trueforma? Now, there's a lot of great things with Trueforma. It's transforming the veterinary diagnostics where it matters most. Reference lab accuracy can now be achieved right at your hospital. Introducing Trueforma, a biosensor platform designed to assist practitioners in the diagnosis of complex conditions. Trueforma offers complete control over the testing process from start to finish. Zomedica is bringing innovative technology to the clinic. It can do a diagnosis very fast and efficiently. So if an animal practitioner wants to see if a patient, in this case a pet, has any sort of disease and see the health of that pet, they can then put this little cartridge in this machine and then they'll get the results very fast and quick. And these gold standard results.
Do you know why we should be investing in it yet? It's gonna go to, yeah, that's where they made these videos, around that level. And they told us that it was gonna go to 5, 10, 20 as a long-term play. Instead, it's at 25 cents. Today, has a market cap of almost 250. So do you realize that it had a market cap of about 2.5 billion at the top, right? There must be some really good revenues, strong balance sheet, right? Let's have a look. Zomedica. Okay, here's the income statement. The videos were made early 2021. So they didn't have 2021 results. When they were looking at this, it had no revenues. No revenues. Just expenses. And now it has revenues of about $4 million. Okay? It has a decent gross profit. I'll give them that. And then selling and general administrative expenses of 22 million, 4 times the size of revenues. So loss from operations is $21 million. Now, remember, they had no revenues when they made those videos. Zero, okay? If you go to the beginning, the company describes itself. Oh man, this is much worse than I thought on YouTube. Zomedica is a veterinary health company creating products for companion animals by focusing on the unmet needs of clinical veterinarians. You have no idea how many companies like this there are, especially in the microcap space. They inject horses, dogs, mice, like they have the next cure for cancer, like, oh my goodness. We are currently commercializing 2 discrete products. Do you know what this means? We are currently commercializing something. That means they don't have a product yet. Okay? That they have a prototype. They're taking it into testing. They don't really have a business yet. Okay? Which is fine. That's how businesses start. But this is why I tell you guys that 80 to 90% of the companies that are trading, especially in the microcap space, are uninvestable. Why? Because they don't have real clients, they don't have real revenues, they don't have real solutions. Okay? This is what happens when you invest in stories. Oh, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. And the way they get you is they talk about this. Okay? In March, the American Pet Product Association estimated that the pet products in the industry had sales over 100 billion in 2020. Oh, if we just capture 1% of this, then we're going to be making $1 billion, and this company is going to be worth $10 billion. If you're new, yeah, you get tricked by this. This is the easiest trick to get newbies into something like that. Veterinary care products sales accounted for 31.4 billion of such sales, representing 7.2% increase. Who cares? Doesn't matter how big the market is. The market for cell phones is $1 trillion. If I create my own little cell phone, and if I just take 1% share of Apple, I'm going to be a billionaire. That's what they do. They give you all kinds of nonsense studies. According to a 2021 blah 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 blah, the market is 4 billion and it's going to be bigger, and by this many people have this many dogs, blah 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 blah. Who gives a shit? You're a company, you don't have any revenues, you're not making any money, and your stock is worthless. As I said before, today the company has a market cap over 200 million. You know why? Because they have cash in the bank. They have about 194 million in the bank, okay? Don't ever listen to this kind of stuff on YouTube, okay? Don't ever listen to these kinds of people. Unless, of course, you want to lose 90% of your money, like they just described. They told you the name of the company. They didn't tell you anything as to why it should go to $5, $10, $20. Nothing fundamentals behind it. At least they could have said, if the revenues reach a certain point, and right now they're zero, there's no revenues, but if they reach a certain point, then the company is going to be worth this much or this much. No, all they come out is they say, oh, this is the company, it has this toy, and there's a dog, make the dog smile, look how cute the dog is, and the stock is going to go to $5 or $10 or $20, just be a long-term investor. If you're listening to this kind of thesis, you deserve to lose money. That's it. Thanks for watching.